What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today we will take a look on PNUT because this coin was launched like an hour ago on a multiple exchanges, and for this hour I got a lot of messages if I can do analysis on this coin. In this video we will be using a 1 minute chart because that's like the only time frame that I can use right now. I will give you the exact price prediction that I think this coin is gonna hit in the upcoming days or weeks, and of course I will tell you the exact setups that I would trade even on this 1 minute time frame. So yeah, if you are interested about the exact price that I think this coin is gonna hit, definitely watch this video till the end. Because we are on a such low time frame, the only thing that we can actually trade here are liquidity grabs. So the first thing that you can trade here will be valid in case of a liquidity grab under these two previous lows. So if we are gonna take a liquidity under, and then we will get back on the 1 minute chart and we will do here a support confirmation, you can open here a long scalp trade. The exact trade can then look, for example, like this. So stop loss in this case will be under the low that we will create during the fake out. So let's assume it will be like 3 to let's say 4% of a net market, something like that. In the last profit targets you can place under the current high, which is on the level 0.08493. This move can happen in the matter of minutes, and as you can see, this coin is absolutely crazy volatile, and for example for like 7 minutes this coin dumped around like 30%. So the main reason why I am making a video on this coin is that we can do here a really huge profits. And if you are, for example, interested about the exact trades that I'm gonna do on this coin, or for example on the other altcoins, then definitely don't forget to join my Discord trading group. Link to join is in the description or in the comments. But let's now get back to the original trade. Some of the profits you definitely want to take in this area, because yeah, if we are gonna take liquidity under with a support confirmation, then some of the profits you, for example, want to take under a level like 0.07052, for example, also under this new bearish order block. But like this is actually like doesn't matter. You want to take some of the profits, for example, on the risk reward ratio like 2. So let's assume the level 0.07041, then for example on the risk reward ratio 4, 7, and then you can save some back to the last take profit target, which is actually the risk reward ratio like 8.84 on a scalp trade. And that's like absolutely insane. You are not getting these kinds of setups on a scalp trade on a new coins like this. So yeah, if certain condition that I talked about will be met, you want to open here this long trade. Before this video continues, I just want to let you know that this YouTube channel is directly connected with my Discord trading group, where I am sharing everyday analysis on the altcoins that I'm currently watching. So if you are interested in that, you can check it out, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. Also, don't forget that for a trade like this, you want to use a, let's say, tight risk management. So for a trade like this, definitely do not risk more than, for example, 0.5% of your trading capital, because there is still pretty high probability that this trade will end up in a loss. On the other hand, if there will be breakout and then support confirmation of the current high, you can use it as a potential long entry, because this coin is relatively or like really new, especially on like exchanges. I know there is some history on let's say not that famous exchanges, but for example on a Maxi, which is the main exchange that I'm trading on, this coin was, as you can see, launched like an hour ago. The exact trade in this case can look for example like this. So again, the stop loss you want to place somewhere back to this range, and your last take profit target on the level with risk reward ratio 10. So for this case it will be a level around like 0.1135. Definitely on a trade like this, you want to take really high risk reward ratio, because as I said, there is pretty high probability that this trade will end up in a loss, and if you will like eventually catch the move, you want to have here a really nice profit. Other trade that you can take here will be valid if I will mark the current high. It will be in case of a liquidity grab and then a resistance confirmation, again on a daily time frame. Stop loss in this case you want to place above the high that we will create during the fake out, and potential elastic profit target above these previous lows, which will give you in this case trade with risk reward ratio like 7.5. So yeah guys, these are actually the main setups that I'm currently watching on this coin. As I said, if you want to know about them let's say as soon as possible, I will be really happy if you consider subscribe to my YouTube channel, where I am sharing those analysis every single day. And and I will just edit this video and upload it as soon as possible, because yeah, I showed you like an important setups on a 1 minute chart, and maybe in like a couple of hours these setups might be invalid. If I will, for example, also switch to like 5 minutes, you can see you can trade here like basically the same. You also want to trade here like liquidity grab under like these previous levels, or for example above the current all-time high. And if you, for example, want, I can definitely do another analysis on this coin in the upcoming days, and we can, for example, discuss more a fundamental side of this coin. If you don't know, this is another meme coin, so there is actually no real use case, but still pretty high probability that in the upcoming days or weeks we will see here a huge pump, and I really wouldn't be surprised if we will, for example, see here like 50, maybe 100x on this coin. So if you want, you can definitely buy some of this coin to your long-term portfolio. But as I said, guys, this will be all from me for today. Definitely thank you for watching this video till the end. Have a great rest of the day, and I will see you in the next video. See ya.